Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a really yummy sandwich, which is buffalo chicken grilled cheese, and it's a triple cheese grilled cheese because I'm using mozzarella, cheddar, and blue cheese, and we're going to cook some chicken breasts with some franks and some butter, and then grill it all until it's ooey gooey deliciousness. And I'm really excited because you're going to love it. And it can be lunch or it could be dinner served with soup or salad. And if you haven't noticed, I'm in a different kitchen. I'm at my mom's today because my house is Grand Central Station and I had to escape. So, pan's heating. So we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, I'm gonna melt some butter in a nice hot pan. Let's say, 3 to 4 chicken breasts will probably give you 4 to 6 sandwiches. So I'm just gonna fit whatever I can in the pan. Okay, so melt butter and then put your chicken breasts in the pan. 3 to 4 chicken breasts. I'm using the cutlets because that's all they had at the store. But it's basically the same thing, okay? And then you just want to get those seasoned with some salt and pepper. Maybe a half a teaspoon of salt and several grinds of pepper. All right, chicken's been going 3-4 minutes and looks like it needs to be flipped. So get it flipped over and then cook it another 3-4 minutes, just until it's completely cooked through. All right, the chicken is done, so I'm going to put it on a plate so that I can get it shredded. Okay, let's move that a little bit. So you can either cut it in small pieces or you can just take 2 forks and start shredding the meat, and it shreds really easily. It's gonna sit on the sandwiches better shredded. All right, so the chicken's shredded. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter. And I don't want it to burn because it is really hot. So I'm gonna put the chicken right in. Okay, and then Frank's red hot sauce, which is amazing and delicious. We're gonna put a half a cup. Ooh. Everything buffalo is good, right? And as I've said before, and I'll say it again, I am a sucker for a good sandwich. When I'm hungry, bring on a good hearty sandwich. It's one of my favorite things to eat. Okay, so we're just gonna let those juices simmer together for a minute or two. Okay, I'm gonna move the chicken aside and get a new pan ready for the grilled cheese. So I have some Tuscan bread from Target that makes some really good grilled cheese sandwiches. So you're gonna butter both pieces of bread, butter side down in the pan, okay? So we'll go ahead and put that butter side down and then start layering up our cheeses. So I've got some cheddar slices. You can use slices, you can use shredded, and then, I just kind of fold them to fit onto the bread better. Okay, next is some shredded mozzarella. Ooh. Cheese, cheese, cheese. I love it. One of my weaknesses, cheese and wine. Okay, and then I have some blue cheese crumbles. Of course, blue cheese goes hand in hand with buffalo. So we're gonna put some of that. It's got a stronger flavor, so, possibly use sparingly, it's up to you. It's really kind of wet and sticky. A little more. Okay. All right. Okay, and last, the chicken, and I'm putting the hot chicken last just to kind of speed up the melting of the cheese, because we're not going to serve this until that cheese is all melted. Looks amazing. So load it up. Ah, chicken's hot. Okay. All right. Press everything down a little bit to keep it in place. And then I'm just gonna take a little of that Frank's that's in the pan and drizzle it on top. Okay, and then butter your next piece of bread. Just a nice light layer of butter, okay? Press that on. All right, and we're gonna cook it until the bread is nice and golden, then flip it until the other side is golden and the cheese is ooey, gooey, and then we're done. Okay, this is sizzling beautifully, looks golden, and I'm gonna go ahead and give it the flip. Wish me luck. Sweet. Okay, and then just press it down a little bit so it's not too fat. Just some of this burnt cheese pieces you can just pick off if that happens. Ooh, yum. This will be lunch and I'm quite excited. And then you dunk them in some ranch dressing. Oh gosh, good stuff, good stuff. All right, so I'm just gonna wait till the other side is golden and then we are serving them. Okay, it's golden and looking amazing. So I will get it on the plate. Cut it in half. Ooh. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, I can't wait to eat it. So like I said, dip it in some ranch. Homemade ranch is the best, but I didn't have any. So ranch if you wish, or blue cheese dressing, either or nothing. It's up to you, but you know, come on. You know that looks good. You know you want it. So go out and make it, and remember that all my recipes are down below, and share them with your friends, and hit the like button if you like this video, and let me know what you'd like me to make next. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day.